Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're on an iPhone 14 Pro. Start by confirming the device and iOS are up to date. Then open an app that uses live activities or begin playing audio. Touch and hold notifications briefly to see the island respond. This is how the system reserves that space. Once done, tap Media Controls or start a timer so the dynamic island will expand. This makes it visible and interactive. Make sure to allow notifications and background activity so the island remains active when the app is minimized. Now interact. A quick tap opens compact controls, while a deliberate long press reveals the app's full menu. This gives you more info without leaving your current app. Drag horizontally to shift between simultaneous live activities, like music and a timer, and use swipe gestures to clear notifications you don't need. Because the island is context-sensitive, it shows different controls based on the app. Therefore, learn each app's specific long press options, so you can act to finish, close the app, or return to the home screen and check the island behaved as expected. If it's stuck, force quit the offending app first, then restart the phone if needed. Make sure live activities, background app refresh, and notifications are enabled for that app, because missing permissions will prevent the island from showing data. If problems persist, update iOS and, only as a last resort, reset settings. This clears misconfigurations but preserves your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.